Welcome to this Nespresso user guide video on preparing coffee and milk recipes with your professional Aguila machine. Whereas black coffees can be delivered on all the 4 brewing heads, milk recipes can only be delivered at the right side of each module. To make one, put a cup or glass on the cup tray. Insert the capsule and close the lever. Press the button. You can adjust volume and thickness of foam according to your taste with the aid of air regulation. With your Aguila, it is possible to prepare various milk recipes at the touch of a button with a consistent quality, independent of the person preparing it. Iced macchiato is a great base for recipes that will delight and surprise your customers. See Aguila Recipes video to further leverage the perfect result in cup. The beverage will be prepared in one shot. Do not do anything until the end of the brewing. Release the lever. The machine will clean itself internally. Latte button allows you to prepare a nice recipe. To top your recipes, you can use the cold milk foam and hot milk foam function. The topping process will stop automatically, but you can also stop it manually. Furthermore, the Aguila machine has 2 additional features: milk-only products and hot water. If milk buttons go red, it means that the milk is over in the milk tank. Open the fridge and add milk into the container. To equally load your machine and reduce the frequency of brewing mechanism replacement, try to equally distribute the products between all the 4 brewing heads. You can make milk-based products on the right-hand heads and black coffees on the left-hand ones.